Robotics IQX. Have you ever wondered why the sun and the moon just stay up there and don't come crashing down to Earth? Today, we are diving deep into the cosmic dance that keeps everything in place. You might be surprised to learn that the answer lies in a balance of forces that has been in play for billions of years. Stick around to learn how gravity, inertia, and a bit of cosmic luck keep our skies stable. Segment 1. Understanding gravity. First, let's talk about gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward each other. The Earth's gravity pulls everything toward its center. This includes you, me, and even the moon. Imagine holding a ball and dropping it. Gravity pulls it straight down. Now, imagine the same force acting on the moon. But instead of falling straight to Earth, the moon is moving sideways at such a speed that it keeps missing us. This is what we call an orbit. Segment 2. Inertia and the sun's influence. Next up, inertia. Isaac Newton's first law tells us that an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by a force. The sun's gravity is incredibly strong. It pulls on all the planets in our solar system, including Earth. But just like the moon around Earth, Earth is moving forward fast enough that instead of getting pulled into the sun, it stays in a stable orbit. Segment 3. The cosmic dance. This balance between gravity and inertia creates what we call a cosmic dance. The sun, Earth, and moon are all participants in this dance, each playing their part to maintain the balance. Since the sun and moon are in their own orbits and moving at just the right speeds, they avoid collision with Earth. This is why we don't see the sun or moon falling out of the sky. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Gravity and inertia work together to keep the sun, moon, and Earth in perfect harmony. This cosmic dance has been ongoing for billions of years, and it's what allows life on Earth to thrive. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to like the video and subscribe.